If you're eager to explore a new Raglan increase method, perhaps a technique you've not yet encountered, this video is tailored for you. In this video, I demonstrate a 4 stitches wide Raglan increase technique that can be used as a decorative element in a top-down knitted garment. Let's dive into the process. Start by marking the center of the Raglan line. We will work with the 2 stitches to the right and left of this point during the increase. Work until 2 stitches before the marker. Knit the 2 stitches together before marker, but do not slip them off the needle. Instead, yarn over and knit them together once again before slipping them off. Slip the marker to your right needle, then slip the next 2 stitches knitwise and transfer them back to the left needle. Knit these 2 stitches together through the back loop, but again, do not slip them off. Yarn over, then knit the stitches together through the back loop once more before slipping them off. This creates 3 stitches from 2. Repeat these steps on every right side row. On wrong side rows, work in purl if knitting flat. If working in the round, perform the increases every second row. If you enjoyed the video, please support my work by liking it and sharing it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated and be notified of new videos. Thank you so much for your support.